Infor CloudSuite Industrial is an enterprise-wide business management suite designed to address the modern challenges of a manufacturing company. CloudSuite Industrial delivers the speed, agility, and visibility to drive both your top-line sales and bottom-line profits. Let's take a look at a day in the life of a typical manufacturing company. Progressive Industries is an industrial machinery and equipment company that manufactures, sells, and services configured forklifts. In this video series, we will review the day in the life of several people across Progressive's company. One of our executives, Cole Randall, will be visiting a customer tomorrow and wants to make sure he is prepared. The team at Progressive will use Infor CloudSuite Industrial to manage their day-to-day job and gain visibility into their business and collaborate with each other. In part 3 of this video series, we will again focus on Claire Summers and customer service and how she uses CloudSuite Industrial. In part 2 of this series, we saw Claire collaborate with her coworkers, research her customers, and walk through a guided selling process to configure, price, and quote a configured forklift. Now let's see more of Claire's day in the life as she converts the forklift quote into an order and continues working on the phone with Joe at her customer, Stevenson Sports. Hi Joe, yes, this is Claire. When we last spoke, you had received our formal quote on the configured forklift. You ready to place an order now? Excellent. Our sales team will be thrilled. Now, let's simply copy that estimate that we had last time and turn that into an order for you, Joe. Okay, would you like to add this to an existing order or just create a new one? Certainly, we can just simply process a new one for you, not a problem. Okay, Joe, your order number is going to be DC 400. That would be David Charles 400. Now, when were you hoping to have this? Okay, we should be able to meet that. So let's get into some of the details here. Now, we are currently projected to have this ready December the 10th. And you said you would like to have this more around December the 4th. So we'll go ahead and plug all that in here. Or maybe even a little sooner. Let me check what I can do here real quick, as well as reach out to our production supervisor and see what we can do. No, I don't have to call you back. I have all of the source information right here in front of me from this production job. So here, let me take a look. Here on the production job, I can go straight and do a capable to promise check for you. And if I run through that process, it actually looks like that'll accept that without a problem. So December 4th is going to be okay. But I know you said you'd like to have it a little bit sooner. So let me go ahead and share and send a message to our production supervisor. So I'll send a message here to Kirk. I'll select Kirk and send him a message. All right, so Joe, I'm going to share a message with him to see if we can send this request in sooner. And then once I know something, I will get back with you to see if we can do something any sooner than that December 4th date. Now, is there anything else that I can help you with while I've got you on the phone here today? That's right. I did hear something about a service request. So let's go and take a look at some of your service interactions here and see what you've got going on. It looks like we do show a service incident here. Looks like we're waiting on a particular part for an O-ring. So let me get into some of the details here for you. Looking here at the status code, looks like we're waiting on a purchase order to come in. And that purchase order, let me see if I can get into some of the details there. It looks like we do have the part is confirmed to be here in the next couple of days. But again, let me check with some of our purchasing and receiving guys and see if they can expedite this for you. So I'm going to go ahead and share this request. And here I'm going to share something over with our purchasing guys. So Paul Adams in purchasing, and I'll send him a quick message to see if we can bring this PO item in a little earlier and share that with them. All right, so Joe, is there anything else I can help you with today? It looks like we've got your part coming in. We've got your order working. Once I get another date for you, I'll get you more details on the production side. Nope, that's it. Well, Joe, once again, thank you for the order of the forklift. And again, once I hear back from production and purchasing, I'll get back with you. So I hope you have a nice day. As a customer service manager, Claire has access to all the information about her customers. Company detail, sales, service, all of this information is available to her on her Customer 360. From here, she can drill into detail and see specifically what is going on. And back here on the collaboration homepage in CloudSuite Industrial, Claire is able to communicate with all the people across her organization. Here you can see her latest 2 messages to both Kirk in production as well as Paul in purchasing, as well as she's attached the detailed information with all the orders in question. Claire can also now go back and answer some detailed questions that she had from Cole earlier in the day. In part 3 of this video series, we focused on how Claire Summers in customer service uses CloudSuite Industrial to interact with fellow employees and customers, to quote and take orders, review delivery dates, and track service details, all as part of her day by accessing key information and collaborating across the company through an easy-to-use browser user experience in an Infor CloudSuite Industrial. In other videos in this series, you can learn more about how CloudSuite Industrial empowers the other users at Progressive Industries. To learn more about Infor CloudSuite Industrial's comprehensive manufacturing capabilities, visit infor.com.